Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So finally the new gaming smartphone from Black Shark from Xiaomi is here, and it's the Black Shark 3s with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.67-inch display and 865 chipset. The Black Shark 3s has joined the games and it has picked it up in a few upgrades compared it to the Black Shark 3. The biggest change is the 6.67-inch AMOLED display now has 120Hz refresh rate mode in addition to 90Hz refresh rate mode of its predecessor. The new panel is capable of 270Hz touch sampling rate, same as before. The display has two pressure sensitivity zones which can be mapped to a different action. Also, the gyroscope is used to detect flicking motion. You can create a game's macros too, which trigger several action in sequence. Voice commands are available as well, so you can start the screen recorder without taking your hands off the controller. The AMOLED panel has a 1080p plus resolution, 20:9 offers 500 nits of brightness, 105% DCI-P3 coverage, and a third generation MAMIC. The Black Shark 3s is still powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset, not its Plus version. It's come with a DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The base 12GB RAM and 128GB of configuration cost Chinese yuan 4,000 yuan equal $575, while the upgrade to 256GB of storage is just 300 more yuan. Note that there is a 512GB model on the way for a Chinese yuan 4,800, but that one is not available for pre-order just yet. The other two are ready to ship on its August 5 next Tuesday. For comparison, the Black Shark 3 used the UFS 3.0 storage and the base model come with 8GB DDR4. The 12GB model do switch up to DDR5, and you can have for a Chinese yuan 3,600 with 128GB of storage. The latest Joy 12 software come with a screen mirroring. It sends a video of the screens over USB-C to a computer so you can play your game with a keyboard and mouse. This mode will run at 60 FPS and has 40 ms latency. The rest is unchanged. The 4729 mAh battery charge at 65 volt over the USB-C connector. It needs 12 minutes of 50% charging, 38 minutes for full coverage alternative. There is a magnetic adapter that attach the back, keeping out of the way of your hands, so you can play and charge at 18 volts simultaneously. This attachment that the tringle option of the cameras. Speaking of cameras, they have not changed it either. The main module has 64 megapixel sensor, 0.8 UM pixel, 1.6 UM with a binding, and an f1.8 aperture. It's joined by 120-degree ultra wide camera, 13 megapixel 1.0 UM f2.25, and a 5 megapixel deep sensor. A 20 megapixel selfie camera completes the picture. It's embedded in the top bezel and not the screen, believe it or not. Once again, a Black Shark team has prepared a fan add-on that provides external cooling to the phone. The chipset reels on heat pipe to wipe the heat away from it, fan or not fan. So this is the Black Shark 3s smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.